Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the basics, then act. Check that your device is online and Gmail sync is enabled. If not, enable it now. Open Gmail and navigate to the outbox or drafts where the stuck message lives. If airplane mode was on, turn it off and toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data to force a reconnect. Once done, tap Send again. This forces the client to retry transmission and often clears transient network or sync errors immediately. Now you inspect the message details to find the culprit. Open the stuck email and check attachments, recipient addresses, and total size. Gmail enforces limits. If attachments are large, remove, compress, or upload to Drive and paste a link, then save or resend. If the message still won't send, sign out and sign back in or clear the Gmail app cache and data. This resets local queues. These steps resolve client-side corruption or credential. For final resolution, you escalate to advanced retries and checks. Switch to another network or use Gmail on the web, then resend. Sometimes device-level restrictions block outbound traffic. Verify account storage, and for external SMTP/AMAP setups, confirm server settings and authentication. Generate an app password if two-step verification is enabled. If the message remains stuck, copy the content into a new email and try sending. If problems persist, contact Gmail support. As a key troubleshooting tip, always save a copy before deleting the stuck item.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.